how to implement AI text prediction and auto-completion. As the user types in the input box, the front end triggers an AI conversation streaming the predicted text to the page in real time. First, set up AI. Define a text input parameter to receive user input. In the prompt, set the large language model's role to a text completion assistant. Specify the task. Based on the first half of the input text, predict and complete the content in under 15 words. Ensure you reference the input. Finally, set the output to plain text and enable streaming output. Click on the Sync Changes button. Next, navigate to Page Configuration. Create a text variable named user_input for AI output. Place a text input and a text component on the page. Select the input box and configure its onChange action. Add a condition using the string_len function where the input length is at least 3. It executes the AI action to start a conversation, calling the newly created agent. We pass the input box's current value to the AI as a parameter and simultaneously assign the AI's streaming response to the page variable user_input we just created. Next, bind the text content to the page variable user_input. For onClick, add set input component value, setting the target to the user_input page variable. Turn off the trigger on change event. Then add a set page variable action to set user_input to empty text. Finally, let's preview. Type in the input box and it triggers automatically at 3 characters. The text box below outputs predicted results in real time. Clicking the prediction automatically fills the input field and clears the prompt below. Let's return to the database. Here we can select the conversation table to see the corresponding